let's travel to the Albury Wodonga Regional Cancer Centre and meet Ben in the Wellness Centre. G'day Ben, introduce yourself and tell us where you are.
Hi Julie, yeah, good to talk to you. So we are at the Wellness Centre at the Albury Wodonga Regional Cancer Centre. So in terms of the people who come to the Wellness Centre, so what we offer is a supportive, welcoming space for patients and their families to come and still be within the broader cancer centre, but I guess step out of that more clinical space and into a space that feels more relaxing and welcoming. And so one of the great things that we do is offer a range of different things. So we have different services on offer. So they include a clinical psychologist and a social worker that people can see at no cost. The fantastic Bravehearts on the Murray group have a wig library. So for women who've lost their hair through treatment, they can come and get a wig, and it is one of the most amazing things to see somebody coming in who's maybe feeling a bit uncertain of themselves, feeling a bit self-conscious, to get fitted properly with a wig that really suits them, and they just leave really feeling on a high. We link in with different oncology massage providers, so that's quite a big thing that we do. One of the things that I've really looked to drive in the Wellness Centre since I've been here is to expand it beyond the walls of this building. So rather than just having a provider in Albury, we've now got providers in Deniliquin, Echuca and Wangaratta, so we can get a real spread of services out to where people are living.
Can you describe physically the Wellness Centre, where it's situated and what's available in it when you come there? Yeah,
so I guess with those services, we also offer a range of different programs. So we run mindfulness programs, different cancer council programs. We've got exercise and yoga starting up. We also have a number of support groups who meet here as well. So that's quite an integral part of what we do, is provide this place where people can come and meet who have a shared experience, where they can get information and support and be with people who have a similar shared experience, which tends to be quite a supportive environment. So it's those sorts of people who are coming in and accessing our services. And we also make sure that any programs or support groups that we run, they're in person as well as online. Again, it's part of this wanting to sort of push out into these broader areas that we live within to try and include as many people as we can in what we do here.
And is there an outdoor area as part of the centre?
There is. So we have a fantastic garden outside, and so it's a great space where people can come and sit in the winter sun. I mean, there's beautiful trees and bushes out there, lovely table to sit, and we also have access to a barbecue as well. So we had a recent men's support group meeting, and we decided to mix things up a bit and invite the guys to come along to a barbecue. So something a bit more informal where they could still connect with each other but also enjoy a meal that was provided by some local businesses.
For people who have to travel a considerable distance to their treatment, I've been a patient myself, and there were times when I would spend all day at my cancer centre by the time I had some radiation in the morning and chemo in the afternoon. How are you able to support those people who've really got to travel and their family?
Because the big thing is it's not just people in Albury Wodonga. It's like sometimes people are travelling up to 2 hours each way to get in here. Because we've got this comfortable, welcome, inviting space, we have tea, coffee, light snacks and things like that. So people can come in here and wait between appointments. They can have a cup of tea, they bring their lunch. So in some ways it's like a bit of a lounge room away from home, where they can just come and relax, talk to people and have some quiet time if they need it as well. So they don't feel like they've got to go off down the street. They can stay on site and still get access to great services.
Thanks so much, Ben. I really wanted to highlight the quality of the Wellness Centre and what you're doing there in Albury Wodonga, way out of the capital cities. So more power to your arm, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure, Julie.